Hey, what can you expect for July? Well, I tell you what, we have been very close to normal or below normal for a long time now. And I think throughout the month of July, because of all the soil moisture and all the rain that we've picked up lately, I think temperatures will be right at normal, maybe a little bit above. And so here's what you can expect. As we come into the month, our temperatures have been around 93 to 94. And I think when we exit July, I think our high temperatures are going to be 96, 97, maybe 98 degrees for the end of July. Except for if we do happen to pick up quite a bit of rainfall, let's say the middle of the month, well, then we may actually end up just being in the mid 90s or low 90s throughout the whole month of July. But I think we'll probably be close to average. Average low 74 to 76. The hottest we've ever been was 107, and that was in 2022. Average rainfall for the month of July is 2.4, and the coolest 60 degrees back in 1905. Okay, we've got cloudy skies out there right now. The high temperature will be around 93. Average high 94. Again, the record is 106. Back in 1894, long time ago. That's a long-standing record. And so far for the year, doing pretty good on rain, almost 22 inches. Maximum heat index today will be 98. Your UV index around 11 or 12, so make sure you've got the sunscreen. Make sure you stay hydrated. And then this evening, temperatures will be mainly in the upper 80s. 78 out there right now. Uvalde's at 74. Let's say Canepa coming in mid-70s. Hondo mid-70s as well. Highs today, 93, Dallas-Fort Worth 97. There's going to be a lot of folks in the eastern part of the country that will have hotter temperatures than we will here in San Antonio, St. Louis, Washington, D.C., New York, Raleigh, Boston, many locations with really hot temperatures across the eastern part of the country, all because of the upper level ridge. Now, when we usually have this configuration to the pattern, usually that opens the door for isolated showers. Probably not much activity today and tomorrow. Eastern counties, if you're watching from our eastern counties, maybe a 10% chance. I just don't think most of those showers will make it here into Bexar County. On Saturday, we're going to see that high weakening here, kind of transitioning to the middle part of the country. Still no rain for us. And then Sunday and Monday, high out in the desert southwest, another ridge here. So we'll find ourselves kind of in a weakness in the field. And so maybe 10 to 20% chance of a shower Sunday, Monday, maybe even into Tuesday of next week. All right, so here's your forecast for today. Temperatures at noon, 87. High today, 93. Again, literally just a few isolated showers for our eastern counties. We're back to square one tomorrow. Cloudy skies, we'll break them up, partly cloudy, and perhaps an isolated shower. I could have put in a 10% for Friday. It's just not hardly worth mentioning. Saturday, 4th of July, I think the heat index will be right at 100 over the next several days. Upper 90s to close to 100. And the forecast rainfall over the next 7 days, not much. Most of this little green right there, which is less than 1/10 of an inch, will probably come on Monday. All right, pollen count, mold is heavy, pigweed's light, grass is also light. Today, tomorrow, 93, 94, mid-90s over the 4th of July weekend, 10% for Sunday, 20% on Monday, 10% on Tuesday. Most of next week, highs mid-90s, and then the 11th and the 12th, a 10% chance of a shower, with high temperatures continuing to be for the foreseeable future in the mid-90s. Let's take a look.